Hey, hi. In today's session of Physics Made Easy, we shall try to solve a problem based on our earlier understanding of reference frames. Please feel free to send your feedback, suggestion to learnphysics1232@gmail.com. So, I will quickly move to the problem. I have taken this problem from I. Rudolph's Problems in General Physics, the famous book. So, the problem statement is a motorboat going downstream overcame a raft at a point A. T equal to 60 minutes later, it turned back and after some time passed the raft at a distance L equal to 6 km from the point A. Find the flow velocity assuming the duty of the engine to be constant. So, the statement of the problem is pretty simple. Let's draw the figure. So, at point A we have both a raft and a motorboat, which at that instant of time is located there. Now, the motorboat is driven by a motor, so it has a higher velocity as compared to the raft, since the raft flows with the velocity of the stream. So, its velocity is same as the flow velocity. Now, both of them start from the point A, and after 1 hour let us assume that the motorboat reaches the point C. At this point the motorboat turns back and meets the raft at point B. So, what the further information provided is that the distance AB is equal to 6 km. So, let us try to solve the problem. So, while trying to solve the problem, we will use the ground, which is the bank of the river, as the reference frame. So, as you can see in the figure, so both of them starts simultaneously at point A. So, let us assume the flow velocity of the river to be v km/h and the speed of the motorboat as x km/h. So, when the motorboat is flowing along the stream, its speed will be obviously x plus v, its own velocity plus the velocity of the stream, whereas the velocity of the raft will be equal to the velocity of the stream, which is only v. So, we have the velocity of both motorboat and the raft when it is moving along the stream. So, what will be the distance covered by the raft till it meets the motorboat B at the point B? So, we have assumed that it's from the time taken by the motorboat from point C to reach point B is T hour. So, of course, the total time elapsed to reach point B by the raft is 1 plus T hour. So, the distance covered is V into 1 plus T. And similarly, what is the distance covered by the motorboat? So, it covers a distance of AC and turns back and covers a distance of BC or CB. So, if we from motorboat's perspective, the distance AB is AC minus CB. So, it covers the distance AC with a speed of x plus b because it is moving with the flow, and it covers the distance CB with a speed of x minus v. So, obviously, the total distance covered by the motorboat is x plus v into 1 hour minus x minus v into t hour, the time when it returns back to the point B. So, now if we equate these two equations and put AB equal to 6 km, we get T equal to 1 hour, and solving we get V equal to 3 km/h. Now, you can try to solve this problem using the raft as the frame of reference. Hope you have enjoyed this session. Please send your feedback. Bye.